Right, so we're here now down in Lantresant, just redoing this job. Now, we've done this about 6 years ago, maybe a little bit longer. There's a couple of loose slabs here, as you can see. Just cleaning it all off. There's old, I think it's Pay Fix Plus in between these joints, and as you can see, it's all just failed. It's been way past its due date, so the customer called us back, cleaning her off, getting the flow point in, and we'll show you more in a sec.
Brad started the video off, so if you come closer, Faye, what we've got with this, look. So this was Pave Fix Plus, Brad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So this was Pave Fix Plus. So this is what's left of it. So this is a resin polymer jointing compound, and what they say, you can see here, look, if you come even closer again, Faye. So I'm taking this out of the joint. That's how easy it is to come out the joint, look, right? But look how deep the joint actually is. You know, these companies are saying like, oh, you haven't left a deep enough joint. I mean, that's how thick the joint is. So you're looking at a good like 50 mil, 45 mil thick, and then you're looking at a good like 15 mil wide. So that joint is sufficient enough to be able to take this product. This has been down about 6 years, so it's been down a while, but the product, that is the product. And look, it's just gone back to sand. There's no polymer left in it or resin left in it at all. It's just completely and utterly failed. So we've jet washed it, we've cleaned it, right? But if you say come to this bit here, look, Fraser, so there's still some Pay Fix Plus left in there. Quite simply now, to get that out, you know, you're just dragging your trowel across it, which I'll do on everyone, and rake it back out to the point where we can flow point it. So that's where we're at. So at the time, these people, and not just Pave Fix, but other companies as well, they all said that their products were the best and they would last a steady time and it's the best next thing. But ask yourself the question, you make your own mind up. You tell me, do you think that's the best product out there? I mean, you know, you keep on having to go back and keep on having to rectify work and put it right in terms of the jointing, when on the tub it says it'll do this, it'll do that, but you know, that's just turned to sand. So is it any good? I don't think so. Leave your comments below. We'll flow point this now, get it all flow pointed, and we'll show you what it's like at the end. Hopefully when we flow point it, we can walk away and it works and the client's got this back to normality again. You can reuse it and the flow point will last a lot longer than these resins, which I am no longer a fan of. So let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll show you a bit more at the end. Cheers. We finished it. We did flow point in 29 degrees, right? And we rushed our off, didn't we, Brad?
Yep.
Rushed our backsides off to get it done. The jet wash, the end of the jet wash that clips into the actual jet wash, the hose section of it, that kept on popping off and we couldn't fix it, so it's broken. So we had to resort to hose pipe. So it was squeaky bum time, Brad, wasn't it?
I thought it weren't going to work, but you know what?
We were all panicking, rushing around like lunatics. Well, we've done it. So we've brought the patio back to life now, so there it is. Spoken to the client. He's very pleased with it. I mean, it looks brand new and it's 6 years old, isn't it?
I mean, look at it. It's just...
a couple of black spots on it, look, this lichen.
Yeah.
We can't quite get off. So anybody that can recommend anything to get black spot or lichen off, then please leave them in the comments below. But other than that, people say like, oh, don't have Indian sandstone because it stains and it goes algicide. And yeah, it does. But as long as you look after it, 6 years on, it's not far off a new patio, is it?
No.
It's not, is it?
No.
So there we are, the proof's in the pudding. There it is, and it's all flow pointed, so hopefully that now will last a steady time. I'm going home to fall asleep for the next 26 days, and I think you're going to do the same, Brian, aren't you?
I am.
Fraser's in the van, he's not even getting involved in a video, he's in the van ready to go. We're all like, well, we're burnt to a crisp, haven't we?
Yeah, I've had enough.
Let's go. So, please like and subscribe, and hope you're enjoying the weather, and I'm going to go home and have a couple of beers and enjoy the weather outside of my own garden. So, see you soon, keep smiling. Cheers.